Good morning! It's beautiful, sunny, hot morning here in Bali today, and we are in the beautiful destination around here. Some of you may recognize this place, and obviously we're gonna a little bit show you around how does it look like. Well, I can tell you, it's definitely a lot of people everywhere around, and this is very nice place for every one of you who are thinking to come to Bali. Maybe you consider to stay here or having at least breakfast or lunch. Heading now into area of Tanjung Sari Hotel here in Bali. The promenade is nearly finished, however there's some construction is going on around, and well, this is actually a very beautiful part of Bali. People jogging, walking at morning, especially on Sunday morning like today, and this is the one of the very nice hotels, by the way. Also people having breakfast at morning, enjoying themselves. And the beach situation and overall situation very nice. Hello, hello. And that's how it's looking. And Sayang is with me as well. Hello, Sayang.
Hi, honey. It's too early for me to walk.
Yeah, it's very hot, by the way. Beautiful coconut trees as well. Now you can rent also the electric scooter or something like that. And as you see, actually, there's a lot of people everywhere around. And meanwhile, this is the Saki Hotel. Some of you guys asked me about this place, so here we go. I'm showing you for now. Right here, right now, it's open, and there are even some guests enjoying their breakfasts already right now, so it's really nice. Also, the construction of the promenade is ongoing. Beautiful promenade. Well, it will be even more beautiful when they finish the works. There is like some new cafe, I could say, or something like that. Sayang walking. I think it's very hot for Yayo.
No, it's okay. It's just like early morning walk by Sanur. Yeah, it's nice to see this one.
Yeah, this is the area of Gria Sunshine Hotel. Currently, also it's open. And as the bonus, you can have a look how they building the promenade currently. And Villa Shanti also somewhere here will be, but meanwhile I think it's Gria Shanti and people enjoying the breakfast as well. Everything is of course facing the ocean, however the sun is very strong today, so it's not that easy for me to showing you the beach. Prefer this area. Meanwhile, beautiful vibes. Here we go, Villa Shanti. Very nice entrance with the beautiful statues. Everything is open actually right now. Basically every hotel, if you ask me, in Sanur is open without any problems. And well, you can enjoy the facilities, breakfast, everything. However, this one is slightly less popular than the previous places. But the promenade and the amount of people walking around, as always, very busy. Meanwhile, over there is also the situation of Werdapura Hotel for everyone who are asking us for that. I think the construction, the renovations were going on there, but they are nearly finished or will finish very soon because the fence is already lower. However, there is still fence, so that means, well, they're gonna finish very, very soon, I guess. So as you can see, there is very beautiful vibe everywhere around here. People are friendly, waving to us. We met two couples, at least two couples who say hi to us at morning. We make pictures and everything. So some of you don't like Sanur, obviously, so that's why we make the title of this video as you don't wanna see this, because some of you don't wanna see Sanur again. But overall, I believe many of you enjoying and agree with us as the area over here is really beautiful, especially at morning.
Okay, so this is how Sanur in the morning, like people riding bicycle, and this one, I think this electric bicycle nowadays in Sanur. And yeah, this is in front is the, I think that private villas, and you see that people, many young teenagers here having a picnic by the beach, having their satay in the morning for the breakfast. This area is called Pantai Karang Sanur. I think that this beach is mostly popular among the locals. You know, they having picnic by the beach, you know, swimming by the beach, in the beach also, because it's very low tide in the morning, you know. This area is also famous for the, you know, kind of a water sport. This, if you're asking us about which area in Bali which is a very family friendly in the morning where you can enjoy the beach, so Sanur. Now I will take you to the area where, you know, it's like many local vendors, local food vendors. Maybe like on the left side, there are still construction, you know, for the walking path. But here is the local food vendors. So nice to see this. People having their time with their families, with their friends. People selling sate. People selling Balinese snack. So yeah, here is in Pantai Karang Sanur. Many local warungs here. If you want to have your Bali coffee in the morning. So this is how it's the local life in the morning with the Balinese snack. This one, looks so yum. Okay guys, in the previous comments, you know, we see that, you know, some people saying, can you please show us more local place and, you know, where the local goes. So yeah, I already showing you, you know, where the local goes, having a, you know, walk in the morning, enjoying their time in the morning. So in the previous videos, we, you know, showing you everyday different places in Bali, right? From Kuta, Seminyak, Legian, Uluwatu, Jimbaran, Ubud. And I think that last time also we went to Sideman as well. Please comment below. I want to ask you which part or which area in Bali that you would like to stay or would you like to visit whenever you plan to come to Bali.
Many of you guys asking me why we always focus on South Bali, and usually we are repeating the same places like Sanur, Canggu. Yesterday we were there, today in Sanur, tomorrow we're probably gonna go to Canggu or Seminyak or somewhere. But the reality is, if every single video surpassed 10,000 views, for us is the signal that you telling us as you are more interested into this specific place in Bali, this topic, rather than something else, with something different, right? Like some of you guys asking us if Damian, Winnie, can you go to Amet, North Bali somewhere, to Lovina or Singalaja, or maybe Tejakula or somewhere in West Bali? Sure, I could. We were last time in Sideman. Beautiful video. I'm so proud of I make this video, but this video barely hit 5,000 views after week of time or after 2 weeks of time, and this is very demotivating, guys. If I can make a video like, you know, go somewhere, make it very easy, and this video you like it, you're watching so much and they have more than 10,000 views, why I have to go now to North Bali? It's not as I cannot do it, I could do it easily, right? So we could do it, but it's just demotivating, and you know, I just want to be honest with you. If you ask me why we are not going, this is the main reason. And many of you asking us, can you show us more local vibe and everything? Sure, we just showed you. You know, we don't need to go somewhere to deep inside Bali to show you the local vibe, because in Pantai Karang in Sanur is local vibe. not mostly, all the people who come here, they are local people. They are just coming from Denpasar. Like, we saw Winnie auntie who is living in Denpasar. She come to Sanur just to walk. So it's the same. We are living now in Renon. I can show you Renon. How does it look like my neighborhood? But we showed you actually many times Renon in general, and also was barely like very low interest of this video. So that's the main reason. I just want to be honest with you, and I hope so you understand.